Welcome to video 1 of the Introduction to Total Station video series. This video will cover the nomenclature and operating keys of the instrument.
Let's review the various parts of the total station. This is the handle of the instrument. The handle is the part of the instrument you should hold onto when moving the instrument. This handle is removable. Prior to using the handle to move the instrument, ensure that both handle locking screws are fully tightened. This is the objective lens, or telescope, of the instrument. It is important to ensure that this lens remains clean and protected. This is the vertical clamp. When tightened, the rotation of the objective lens will be locked. When loosened, the objective lens will be allowed to rotate freely. Do not apply excessive pressure to the objective lens when the vertical clamp is locked, or damage may occur. This is the vertical fine motion screw. When the vertical clamp is tightened, the user may rotate the vertical fine motion screw to make fine adjustments to the angle of the objective lens. The silver ring marks the center of the vertical fine motion screw extent. This is the sighting collimator. The sighting collimator shows the object that the objective lens is pointed at. Looking through the sighting collimator allows the user to quickly sight in their target. This is the telescope focusing ring. Rotation of this ring adjusts the focus of the objective lens. Counterclockwise rotation will adjust the focus to objects further away from the instrument. Clockwise rotation will adjust the focus to objects nearer the instrument. This is the telescope eyepiece screw. Rotation of this adjusts the focus of the reticle. The reticle is the crosshairs seen when looking through the eyepiece. This is the instrument display and keypad. These are used for reading and inputting data. This is the horizontal clamp. When tightened, the rotation of the instrument will be locked. When loosened, the instrument will be allowed to rotate freely. Do not apply excessive pressure to the instrument when the horizontal clamp is locked, or damage may occur. This is the horizontal fine motion screw. When the horizontal clamp is tightened, the user may rotate the horizontal fine motion screw to make fine adjustments to the rotation of the instrument. The silver ring marks the center of the horizontal fine motion screw extents. There are 3 leveling foot screws on this instrument. They are used to aid in the centering and leveling of the instrument. This is the instrument base plate. The base plate secures the instrument to the tripod. When moving or carrying the instrument, use one hand on the handle and the other underneath the base plate. This is the instrument battery cover and battery. The battery cover protects the battery compartment. The battery should be removed from the instrument for storage. Batteries should be stored either in the instrument case or on the charger. To insert the battery, open the battery cover. Orient the battery with the notch at the top. Insert into the battery compartment and push down. Once the battery is inserted, close the battery cover. Removal of the battery is the reverse of insertion. This is the external interface hatch. Located opposite the battery cover, the external interface hatch may be opened to expose a USB port for downloading and uploading data. Keep the cover closed when not in use. Let's review some of the operating keys of the instrument. Pressing the star key opens the star key menu. Here are the functions within this menu to familiarize yourself with. Turning the laser plummet on and off by pressing F1. Turning the laser pointer on and off by pressing F3. Adjusting the contrast of the display using the up and down arrows. Pressing the star key again while in the star key menu will open the tilt screen. Pressing the escape key will exit the tilt screen or the star key menu. Pressing the illumination key will turn the screen, keypad, and reticle backlight on and off. Keep this off when not needed to save battery. Press and hold the power key for approximately 1 second to turn the instrument on or off. Do not remove the battery from the total station until you have powered it off using the power key and the display turns off completely, or data loss may occur. Pressing the angle measurement key, also known as number 0, will switch the instrument to angle measurement mode. Pressing the distance measurement key, also known as number 1, will switch the instrument to distance measurement mode. Pressing the coordinate measurement key, also known as number 4, will switch the instrument to coordinate measurement mode. Pressing the menu key, also known as number 7, will switch the instrument to menu mode. Within menu mode, you can find data collection mode, layout mode, data transfer mode, and other various settings. Pressing the escape key functions as a back button. Pressing the backspace key deletes a single character to the left of the cursor. This is only active when editing text. Pressing the enter key acts much the same way as the enter button on your computer does. These keys correspond to the on-screen options shown directly above each key. Pressing them will activate or open whatever on-screen option is displayed.